Hey guys, welcome back to the next installment of Scroll Sawing the Wall Hanging Grandfather Clock. Let's get cutting. Now the next thing on my list of to-dos for this project is there are 3 different tiers for shelves. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll those out. Now the last time I left you, we had some bowing issues going on in these trim pieces, and as you can see, putting the little weight on there and cutting it out has done a good job on that. These are support blocks that I had cut out earlier, and we'll just place that bad boy right there on the pattern and move on. These will be upper and lower support blocks as we go for those pieces there. I had a little piece break off on me as I was scrolling it out. One of the things you'll notice when you scroll saw is there are a lot of repeating patterns, and one of them in this case is this little deal here. It broke off right there. I'm going to show you how to fix that now. Now, in order to fix this piece, all you're going to need is a little bit of wood glue and a broken scroll saw blade. Get a little dab of it on the tip there, and then we're going to put it on our broken piece. And it won't take very much at all. Once we get it on the piece, we'll reposition it, line it up perfectly. The next thing we're going to want to do is hold it tight for a minute or so. Take the clean end of your blade. You can actually use it to wipe off any excess. Later on, once this is dried thoroughly, you can come in and with a little piece of sandpaper and a mini dowel rod or maybe a screwdriver, wrap it around it, and then you can sand those areas away where the glue might have squeezed out. Easy fretwork repair, it happens. When I was cutting this piece out, the vibrations got to the point where it just popped it right off, right along the wood grain there. Well guys, I'm going to have to knock off for the day. I've gotten a lot done actually. About 7 hours into the project now, and I've only got like 5.5 pieces left to do. If I don't get in the house now, Mrs. Reaganite isn't going to feed me any dinner, so I got to knock off. If you'd like ongoing updates, you can always visit the blog at reaganite71.blogspot.com. And like I said in the last video, if you've got a project you'd like to show me or something you're working on, slap it on my Facebook page at facebook.com/reaganite71. Well guys, until then, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Now we saw earlier how easy this thing flew off. Let's see how this does now, even with a belt sander. Didn't move a bit, look at that.